Hi everybody, this is Benny and Buddy and I'm taking the boys out for a walk. As you can see, it's getting ready to start to rain. It's already starting to spit. Come on babies, let's go, come on. We gotta hurry up before it starts pissing. It's already starting to spit. Come on, let's go. Come on Benny. Go boys. Boy, we're having a lot of rain. Haha. Don't pee on each other now. Hang on, buddy. Come on, babies. Good boy. Come on, Benny. It's not a bad day other than the rain coming, as you can see. Boys don't care. Thanks for watching, my friends.